Do you want bath towels that actually feel just as good as they look? Well, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and these bamboo bath towels from Natureva Home have been the upgrade for my bathroom that I needed. They come as a 6-piece set with bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths, so you're fully covered for daily use. The first thing I noticed was how soft they felt. They didn't feel stiff or bulky, just really comfortable. And because they're made from a balanced bamboo cotton blend, they have this smooth, cozy feel that's lightweight but still feels luxurious. Wrapping up in one after a shower honestly feels like a mini spa moment at home. The eucalyptus color is so pretty. It's calm, modern, and neutral, and it makes your bathroom look more elevated and put together. These towels don't just look good, they work so well. They absorb water fast, so you're dry in seconds without having to rub your skin. And if you have sensitive skin like me, then you know how harsh rubbing can be. So being able to just gently pat dry is such a win. They also have a built-in hook so you can easily hang them to dry. And I noticed that this helps them dry faster and stay fresh. So these bath towels, they don't just look good, they work so well, and that's my point of view.